So, sir, I think you might be aware that I am currently exploring the idea of being an expert generalist. So,
Mm-hmm.
I had a few questions in mind. I mean, I have been talking to people who I think have a huge range of skills. And, these people are very interesting to talk to because they have so many different interests and so many lessons to teach us. And sir, I truly believe that you are one of the best mentors, who falls under this category. So, the first question that I would like to ask you is that did you have a dream job? I mean, during your childhood, was there anything that you wanted to do or you wanted to become when you were growing up?
Mm-hmm. Uh, yes, obviously, I wanted to become a teacher, and which I
Oh,
am right now. Yeah, so
right.
uh, that been my passion since beginning, since even while I was doing my engineering. So I used to
Okay.
teach. I used to teach my juniors. I used to guide them. Even in fact, I used to bring books. I used to purchase books from the market, and obviously I was selling them for my
Yeah.
to buy the my own books. But that was my passion since engineering time. And after that also I have dreamt about becoming a teacher or a passionate uh, guru who adopts people and who brings them and who tries to make even more skillful than him, like a coach who is making a skillful people or skillful sports personalities, those who are even more greater than him. So that's my basic ambition, that let make me
Right.
my students or my mentees go much beyond me.
Right. So, sir, I think that's a very noble cause to be working for because I too
Mhm.
have the same sentiments about this. When it comes to, mentoring or teaching, I just believe that yes, it should be something that is free of charge and we should reach
Mhm.
out to whoever reaches out to us for help. And
Mhm.
so I
Agree.
think it's very important to create an opportunity where we are also able to reach out to these people, so that they know that yes, something like this exists. There are people who want to help you out for free. So,
True.
so that brings me to my second question. You said that
Mhm.
you studied engineering, if I'm not wrong.
Mhm. Mhm.
So, sir, your current professional journey, how different has it been from your dream job? Or, did
Uh-huh.
your educational background, did it align with your,
Yeah,
profession of being a teacher or a mentor?
correct. It's in a way it's completely aligned, that what I
Okay.
studied and what I'm doing, because I'm doing what I'm doing business,
Right.
and that business, or I'm studying business, I'm advising business, and my job till last year was being an architect. So what architect does, or a solution architect or a technical architect, he goes, analyzes business and provides the solution or advises the business to implement a software. So that was my primary role. And I used to like it a lot. Even people used to get engaged with me a lot. Like I have must be
Yeah.
3,000 plus people, those who have worked with me in tenure of 24 years, and those who are watching live must be knowing that that is again my passion. Just like in education,
Right.
this is also my passion, to get involved into the technology or involved into business. And this comes,
Yeah.
as you were saying, becoming a not specialist, but
Right.
going in so many areas where you put your head down, try to learn that how business is working, how things are working. So that has made me to think, or to imagine in terms of the business functionality. And another thing is, it comes in a blood of Gujarati, that they think business not only money, but money as well.
Yes.
So this unique combination has
Right, sir.
made me, and another thing also, like I'll not be, you know, vouching too much about Gujaratis, but philanthropy is also one of the big aspect, which it's kind of inherited thing in
Right.
our culture, because we normally encourage that whatever you earn, spend. So whatever
Yeah.
you have in terms of 24 hours, which is given by God to you, whatever God has given you for free, like air, water, and all that. You give it some part of it back. Yeah, you have 24 hours. Give half an hour back, or
Right.
half an hour, 10 minutes back to the community. Yeah.
Right.
So, and the thing which I am doing is not investing money. I am just investing my time on this platform. Mhm.
Right. So I think, sir, time is as precious as money is. People say that
Correct.
time is money. So I
Hmm.
think that's equally great because it doesn't matter if you're spending time or money. If you're being able to contribute in any way,
Hmm.
that's enough.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
yeah, like what you said about
But
Gujaratis, I think there have been a lot of successful Gujarati businesses. So I think you can vouch for that,
yeah,
sir.
now, another thing which I would like to emphasize about time and money is time is easy to give. Money, when you have to take out money from your pocket and give to somebody like 2,000 rupees, it it pinches.
Right.
But when somebody says that, okay,
Right.
give 10 minutes out of your schedule, it is equally important because somebody making, $20 an hour.
Right.
Imagine, it is a huge amount he's making, and that 1 hour he gives to somebody means it equals to $20. Yeah, and
Yeah.
several people are there; they are earning $100 or even more.
Exactly, sir. So like you were saying, something about being an expert generalist. I wanted to know your thoughts about it in the more general sense, not just related to you, but what do you think of the term expert generalist? What comes to your mind?
Yeah. So recently, I have started interacting with Deepak Ramola, and I am big fan of his.
Hmm.
So
Right.
what he has explained in his term is he says that I'm jack of all trades.
Yeah.
Whenever something comes to me, like if I feel like having working on music, I try to work on music. I play guitar for a couple of days. If I'm not successful, I'll leave it, I'll do something else, but at least I will know when some guitarist is playing an excellent guitar. I will know that it is a skill, I will appreciate it. So
True.
becoming,
Yeah.
try to become a journalist or generalist, you will know how to appreciate others' skills while you face the same thing in yourself. The second thing is,
Right.
if you have a multiple talents, you will have multiple avenues to express it. Just like, once again, I will quote Deepak Ramola only for that. He is a lyricist. He has written for so many, great movies like
Yeah.
Wazir and Mazi the Mountain Man, and even recent movies like for which uh, Sushant Singh Rajput was also there. So such kind of movies he has written lyrics. Now, when it comes to his other counterpart, where he just goes and does the collects the story from the people, and he has almost corrected several 100,000 stories from people, and he doesn't
Wow.
only collects and writes. Yeah, he makes a videos out of it and makes it more presentable. So
Right.
then the third thing is the young generation, like you and me, we are doing, yeah, something that
Right.
where people learns how to produce videos. Now it's a
Right.
skill, yeah. So when you are skillful enough, you can use your minimum time to produce something great, and it remains in the track of the history. Like today, you have produced
Right.
something; it will remain till eternity if we do not delete it.
True, sir. True.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I think
these are
that.
various examples. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Hmm.
think no. I was just saying that. I was thinking about how videos and images, photos, they're such a great way to capture these memories and store them forever. It just
Correct.
stays. It becomes immemorial.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
good.
And
That's great.
previously, it used to be in the camera or SIM card or the
Yeah.
memory card, and then it used to get wiped out when when
Right.
we want a memory, or it used to be in a
Yeah.
hard disk, and one day hard disk get crashed, everything is gone. Now we have
True.
cloud. Put everything on a cloud.
Yeah.
Yes, there is one catch. Those
Mm.
days, these cloud guys will start asking for money, so that
Yes.
will be a problem. But till that time, I
Right.
think we are safe. Yeah.
Right, so I keep looking for storage spaces that let you store images for free because I'm a big fan of capturing images and storing them, looking back at them. It's sort of like a photo album, but just a soft copy version of it. So I
Mm-hmm.
have experienced the pain of, a crashed hard drive and losing photos. It's horrible. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I think that's a great point that you brought up about Deepak Ramola, sir, that he likes to express himself in different ways. So all of the talents that you have, you can find an outlet for it, and you don't have to
Correct.
stick to one creative avenue. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Yeah. In
uh,
fact, we
so
have
yes, sir.
Alim from Florida. We have Jasmine. So, guys, if you have anything to give us, in terms of suggestion, feedback, we are more than happy, because this is our first session, a premiere of our upcoming LinkedIn Live. I think Pallavi will explain more in a couple of seconds. Pallavi, if you can go ahead.
Sure, sir. So, this is an initiative to bring all the mentors and mentees together. This is for anyone who wants to learn something, and this is a great opportunity to learn something new every day. So, to become, like in my case, I want to become an expert generalist. So, I keep looking for opportunities or webinars or events where I can learn something. And I don't want to learn the same thing over and over again, which is a great perk of this LinkedIn Live session because we will be interacting with guests from various backgrounds and not just from India, but also international guests. And you won't get to hear just the guest side of the story. You will also get to interact with the host, who are student achievers who are doing great in their fields. So I think, sir, this is a great initiative that you thought of and you've come up with, and I'm really excited to see how this goes.
Mhm. Thanks a lot, Pallavi. So, as you have given the background, let me tell what is in my heart.
Yes,
So,
sir. Sure.
first thing is the slogan which I have,
Mhm.
learning by sharing. So, let me
Right.
explain what it means. So, you
Yes, sir.
learn something first, you invest in yourself. So, people goes everywhere, go for a webinar, go for a seminar, either a paid or a free, but they go with an intention of learning. So
Yeah.
what I suggest is, go there, go either free or paid, but do an intense learning.
Yeah.
Learn something either from book, website, LinkedIn. Even I suggest, even you can keep on reading the LinkedIn pages, comments there, and you can learn from there. So learn something new every day or every week, compile it, and then identify 3 4 guys and teach them. What it
Right,
will
sir.
make is, it will give you an avenue of committed learning, and then those guys will be you know those people will be benefiting out of your knowledge, but you will be revising your knowledge, so
True.
you will understand it second time.
Right.
Another thing is, your students will ask you questions, and if not questions, they will also suggest you that you have read this from this source, I have read it from other source also. Why don't you go there? So
Yeah.
that student will become your teacher. So this is the
True.
way
True.
learning by sharing will go. The
Right.
other thing is collaborative learning. So which we are doing, where Pallavi is teaching so many guys. Like today's session will be demonstrating others how to collaborate.
Yeah.
Even Vandana or Sunny sir, or these many guys with whom we have started, we are collaborating with each other and we are sharing ideas and we are
Right.
learning a lot. So this is the second thing. And the third thing is collaboration itself. Generic collaboration. If you do not collaborate with each other, there is no way you will learn something which is important.
Right.
You will feel jealous, you will feel so
Right.
to collaborate, you have to have a humbleness, you have to have a character, a jealousy free attitude, you have to attitude have an attitude of becoming generous. So all these
Right.
attributes you will gain in life if you want to collaborate. So I think that's a
True.
brief about this program, with the three keywords: learning by sharing, collaborative learning, and collaboration itself. So, uh, and which is even scrolling beneath the screen.
Right, sir. So, sir, I think that was a beautiful summary of, what we're going to be doing and what our vision is. And I think you're right, either you can be over competitive or you can choose to collaborate. And I think that the path of, choosing collaboration, that is much more, I don't know, it's more noble than choosing to be jealous or, competing with each other. Healthy competition is fine, of course.
No, yeah,
But
competition is fair
yeah,
enough. You can have a healthy competition,
exactly.
which can
Yeah,
you can raise the bar, but you should not feel jealous of it. You should accept somebody's
true.
success. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, sir. I
Because you should
completely
think
agree.
yeah, you can think in a larger perspective, that
Right.
suppose I'm feeling a competition with somebody of my city. Imagine somebody in Mumbai, he's getting more success, or somebody in London or New York is
Right.
getting more success than me. Will I
Right.
feel jealous? No, but they are getting success. So these are different perspective
True.
which we are going to give to the students, that let's have the various perspective and enjoy it. So I think uh, it's already 16 plus 1 minute. And
Right, sir.
so we can
Sir, I just
summarize.
wanted to know that, yes, sir, I just wanted to know if you have any last thoughts or a message that you want to share.
Oh, on suppose you allow me to summarize this show, I can summarize it in my own way.
Sure, sir.
That
Please go ahead.
yeah, presence of Pallavi has made this show so special. Your talents, your skills, and you being a host and hosting me to as a first session, official first premiere is my
Right,
privilege.
sir.
And I'm
Thank
sure
you, sir.
yeah,
Privilege for
with
me
inputs
too.
from yeah, and with inputs from experts or expert students or experts, Generation Z people, I'm 100% sure that we are going to gain success.
Right,
This
sir.
generation is coming with multitude of ideas and
Yeah.
possibilities. So it is definitely possible to have such kind of success if we use this talent properly. There are
Right.
multiple ways this talent is being used by society. One of these way is collaboration. At several places they are offering various other avenues of using the talent and sometimes abusing the talent, but we are working only on a focused way, committed way, and we assure the society that whatever we are going to do is we are going to do it with 100% integrity and transparency. So on that
Right, sir.
note, I think we can say thank you and
Yeah.
thanks a lot for hosting me. And it is
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being a guest.
yeah, thank you.
Help you increase the number of views on a post. We can maybe double it. Mine actually tripled. So I went from having anywhere around maybe 2,000 views to 6,000 views.